We recently had some big, huge issues with the site when I was running plugin updates where like 80% of my images disappeared.
Mm.
Um, and I'm not sure what plugin update that. We never did find the source of the problem. We just decided to go ahead and act to get them put back. So I will run them on dev first, and I will disengage that WP Optimize plugin first, and then I will run each update, and then I will spot check the site before I move on to the next plugin update. And then after I've seen, that everything is okay on dev, then I will start running updates on prod, and it's the same process.
Okay.
There's obviously some things going on with the architecture of the website at this point that might be causing that. And then just sometimes with the technical load of different plugins, they cause conflicts, even sites that I've built, like certain plugins just don't like to work with each other.
So part of what I am going to, part of what's going to come out of this is going to be a recommendation for like identifying specifically the various help that you do need in order for you to keep being that unicorn for them.
There's a lot of times where I'm like, this is so coordinator work,
Yes, exactly. So how can you do the implementation part and be the coordinator person and do a excellent job at both of them? You fully can. Like, I'm fully learning that just like as a business owner, that if you can't let go of certain things, when you start looking at the effectiveness of what you're doing, like the argument is here for there to be other people who are helping you with this implementation in a more organized and strategic fashion.